Ndewono. Welcome to Igbo Academy. Aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. Tata, isiokwu anyị tata bụ atụmatụ okwu. N'ime atụmatụ okwu tata, anyị ga-ekwu okwu banyere mmemmadụ. Mmemmadụ. Mmemmadụ n'onu bekee bụ personification. We all know that atụmatụ okwu is figures of speech. The third one we're talking about today is personification, which is called Mmemmadụ. Mmemmadụ bụ atụmatụ okwu na-ewere ihe adịghị ndụ, ihe enweghị ndụ, dịka mmadụ, dịka ihe nwere ndụ. So personification is a figure of speech that takes a non-living thing as if it were alive, or as if it were a living thing. So that is Mmemmadụ. Mmemmadụ in English language is called personification. Lee ụfọdụ mmemmadụ n'asụsụ Igbo. Number 1. Ọnwụ emesiela ezinụlọ ahụ ike. Ọnwụ emesiela ezinụlọ ahụ ike. It means that death has dealt with that family very well. Death has dealt with that family very well. So when you hear this personification, death is taking something that is lifeless, death, as if it were alive. Death has dealt with that family very well. Number 2. Anwụ achagbuola anyị. Anwụ achagbuola anyị. It means the sun has shone on us very well. It has shined on us very well. And as in, that's like dealt with us too. So the sun is now the personification there, talking to the sun, which is a lifeless thing, as if it has life. Number 3. Ihe ụgụrụ mere ndị mmadụ n'afọ gara aga abụghị ihe eji ọnụ ekwu. Ihe ụgụrụ mere ndị mmadụ n'afọ gara aga abụghị ihe eji ọnụ ekwu. What the harmattan did to people in the past year is not what you say with your mouth. So what the harmattan, imagine harmattan that is something that is lifeless, talking about it as if it has life, as if it's a person that came to deal with people, that actually came to deal with people. What the harmattan did to people in the last year is not something you say with your mouth. Number 4. Agụ anaghị emere ụmụntakịrị ebere ma o jide ha. Agụ anaghị emere ụmụntakịrị ebere ma o jide ha. Hunger doesn't pity for children when it catches them. So you're talking about hunger as if it has life, as if it's somebody that can catch children. Agụ anaghị emere ụmụntakịrị ebere ma o jide ha. Number 5. Ọnwa na-azacha ala ugbu a. Ọnwa na-azacha ala ugbu a. Ọnwa is the moon. The moon is sweeping the floor now. The moon is sweeping the floor now. Talking about the moon sweeping the floor, we know the moon is lifeless. It cannot come and start taking a broom to sweep the floor. We're talking as if it has life in it. Ọnwa na-azacha ala ugbu a. Number 6. Egbe eluigwe na-achọ onye ọ ga-agbagbu. Egbe eluigwe na-achọ onye ọ ga-agbagbu. Egbe eluigwe is the thunder. Na-achọ onye ọ ga-agbagbu. It's looking for who it will shoot and kill. Who it will shoot. Egbe eluigwe na-achọ onye ọ ga-agbagbu. The thunder is looking for who it will strike. Sorry, not shoot. It's looking for who it will strike. So you're talking about the thunder now as if it has life in it. Why we know that the thunder is a lifeless thing, we're talking about it as if it has life in it. Number 7. Oyi jisi anyị aka ike. Oyi jisi anyị aka ike. Cold is holding us very well. The cold is holding us very well. So the cold, you're talking of a lifeless thing as if it has life. It means that we are feeling very cold. The literal meaning, the meaning means the meaning is that as in we are very cold. We are very very cold. Oyi jisi anyị aka ike. Number 7. Ọrịa ekweghị mụ na ndị be m zuo ike. Ọrịa ekweghị mụ na ndị be m zuo ike. Sickness doesn't want me and my people to rest. Sickness doesn't want me and my people to rest. It means that everybody in my as in everybody in my house, everybody in my place is sick. All of my people are sick. So it means that that's the meaning, but literally it means that sickness doesn't want me and my people to rest. Then number 8, ọkọchị egbuchala ihe anyị kọrọ n'ubi. Ọkọchị egbuchala ihe anyị kọrọ n'ubi. Ọkọchị is the dry season. Ọkọchị egbuchala, that's it. I'm translating it now. Ọkọchị egbuchala ihe anyị kọrọ n'ubi. The dry season has killed everything that we planted in the farm. So it means that the dry season has really, that's what it really means. It has dealt with, it has killed everything that we planted. So that's it about, these are examples about Mmemmadụ, which is personification. Just as it is in English, that's how it is in Igbo language. Mmemmadụ, personification, is when you use something that is lifeless. Iwere ihe na-enweghị ndụ, dịka mmadụ or ihe nwere ndụ, to take something that is lifeless as if it has life. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ka emesịa, ka ọ dịbazie.